This is Boston Whaler's 33 Outrage. This is a 2020 model in stock at Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take it for a test ride, give me a call. Again, my name's Grant. We'll put it in the water for you, let you see what you think about it. This boat is a great equipped boat for fishing, but not just for fishing. It's a great day cruising boat too. They do go the extra mile with this to put amenities on here that make you comfortable whether you're fishing or cruising out for dinner. You've got a nice cocktail table here. Put that table away and it turns into an aft-facing seat. Look at the size of the dive door, or the tuna door that's on here. Really deep. I'm 6'3", you can see how deep the inside of this boat is. Super heavy duty hardware on here. The hinges on this boat, everything when you get on it, you're gonna see how why a whaler is. Got the reputation that they've gotten, and it's because everything is built to last. This particular one, we've got the hardtop T-top on here with the powder-coated aluminum. We've got a blank dash on here, no electronics. So, you know, the good thing about that is you want 12-inch screens, 14-inch, 16-inch, you want Marine, you want a Pelco, you want Furuno, whatever you want, we can install it here. We've got professionals to install all your electronics, 1 screen, 2 screen, radar, whatever you want. Don't let the dealer decide, you pick what you want in your boat. The bow seating on this is fantastic too. Just check out the pictures that we've got online of this boat. There's a great, what they call a coffin box up front with huge amount of storage. Bow cushions up there. It's the total package in a 33-footer. Give us a call at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.